Good morning, children. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about three places of our letters: the sky letter, the grass letter, and the root letters. Let's learn where each letter belongs on our writing lines. Some letters are tall, they stretch up and touch the sky. We call them sky letters. For example, B, D, F, H, K, L, T. Now, look at their place in writing on the lines. They start from the middle line and go up to the top line. Some letters are small and like to sit quietly on the grass. We call them grass letters. For example, E, K, E, I, S, W, S, Z. Now, look at their place in writing on the lines. Grass letters stay between the grass line and the middle line. They don't go up to the sky or down into the roots. Some letters have long tails that go down under the grass like roots of our plants. We call them root letters. For example, G, J, P, Q, Y. Root letters begin in the grass area, but their tails go below the grass line to the bottom line. Now I will help you to learn where all the letters sits on the handwriting lines. Today we will practice to writing some alphabet letters in our sand tray. Watch carefully as I show you how to write it. Everybody raise your finger. Very good. Put your finger, this is a sand tray. Put your finger on the sand tray. Very good. First of all, we will write a sky letter. Come on, let's write with me. Draw a straight line. Very good. Draw a straight line with me. Go back to the middle. Here is the middle and make a small tummy like this. Very good. Which letter is this? B. Very good. Now, which object starts with B? B, butterfly. B, butterfly. B, butterfly. Well done. Excellent. Now, children, we will write a grass letter. Now, write with me on the sand tray. Make a small curve like a moon. Please keep it open. Very good. Which letter is this? K, K, K. Look at this. K, 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 cat. K, cat, K, cat, K, cat. Very good. Thank you. Now we will write a root letter. Come on, write with me. Draw a straight line like this. Now make a small tummy. Very good. Now say with me, P, 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 parrot, P, parrot, P, parrot. Excellent work. Today we learn how to write in our sand tray. Give yourself a big clap. Now please keep practicing every day. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz, and thank you.